All right. Guy has a nice one on there. This is Vaughn. He is one of my subscribers. I just met him today. I told him to come over here to this edge here, and he is hooked up on something nice here. If it's not nice, then he has this drag super loose or something. But I'm sure it's nice. Oh, wow. Huge Nunu. Wow. Huge Nunu. That's awesome.
Get some nice colors on this guy.
No. I took my camera off my head, so I'm filming with this one. Man, that has to be at least like 3.5 feet. Wow.
I could tell it was because it just stopped fighting after the run.
Yeah. Did you see the post I made? Well, I don't know if you follow me on social media, but I cooked one of those.
Oh yeah? How did it come out?
Oh, it tastes like fish sticks, man. It's awesome.
You want it? Take it.
No.
I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to let it go. So you take it. Otherwise, I'm going to let it go.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Let me
wow.
get it off here.
That's awesome. It's a thick one, too. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. Can I get a picture with you with it first?
Yeah, of course. Let me just grab a glove. I'll get it off.
Sure. Wow, man. Look at this. Wow. I don't even have a ruler, but I'm sure it's over, it's about 3 feet.
This is like the slimiest fish
It is.
ever. Good hook set.
Wow. Okay, well. And I was just about to leave. I'm
It's
packed
nice
up.
colors at school.
You see?
It's really brown.
Wow.
Daddy,
Look at the colors there.
Daddy,
Beautiful.
Daddy, what is it?
This is a nunu or a cornet fish.
Where did it go right here?
Wow.
Where did it go
Nunu
right
pete.
It's
All right.
beautiful.
Awesome. We'll just get a picture with you.
Wow.
I'm going to get back up because I got it landscaped, so I can't get the lens. All right. Jeez. All right. Major shout out to Vaughn and his keiki for gifting us this nunu. So you take it home if you're going to go ahead and cook this. It's one of the easiest fish to clean. You just skin it. You go ahead, skin each side, and it should look just like this. And then right after that, you're going to fillet down the center bone. There's only one center bone. And once you fillet down each side, you cut it up into friable sticks. And so you'll batter it with whatever batter that you like, and it'll come out like this. As you see, it is coupled with a pachi and a nunui from a night before. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Share and tell a friend.